Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we'll learn how to take an input from a user. So and this I will be using the int data type and the string data type. If you are not familiar with my with the variables and data types in C#, so please check that out on my previous tutorial. So let's start with coding. And to begin with, we'll write int, then in variable name, so I'll give I culprit, and then say we'll tell the user to give an output to as if like a menu. So we'll write console.writeLine, let it be, and then please enter value. Okay, and then I'll write I culprit is equal to console.readline. So this thing console.readline is used to take an input from the user, and then console.writeLine, you have entered plus I culprit. Let's write it. Please enter an integer value, and then console.readline to trick the console, and we get an error. Okay, so what it says it cannot implicitly convert type string to int. Okay, so in C#, any input taken by this console.readline is assumed to be a string. So hence what we have to do is we'll write a statement called convert dot to int32. So in my earlier tutorial I had said that int is a 32-bit character or something. Signed, it can have only 32-bit signed value. So hence we have to convert that into 32-bit, and then let's see what it says. So it ran, say like I'll write 8910, and it worked for me. So you have entered 891010. Somewhere in some cases sometimes you cannot see the output of an integer value, so sometimes they concatenate, they write so, and let's see. Okay, it isn't required, maybe for multiple variables I suppose. And then so the next part I will be doing with the string. So string is declared with the string. It can be caps, or it can be with this thing also. It doesn't make any matter, and so we don't require this thing. I culprit would be named as S culprit because of S for string, and then I'll run that by pressing F5, enter a value. Hey YouTube, and how are you? So it says you have entered hey YouTube and I'm only for you.com viewers. How are you? Hey, well, I wanted to say please do visit my website I'm only for you.com. It's very beautiful. You can very coolly view this, and somewhere down I'll be making a video named Logic, and in that I'll be telling how to program or something if you have some problem in programming, and I believe that that tutorial video will help you out. So and the exercise files will be there in my site, so do check out. And so that's the end of my tutorial here of how to take an input from the user. And so if in case you have any problems and doubts, do contact me at my site or at the YouTube or PM me at the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.